Schedule Planner is a handy tool for finding a class schedule at MTSU. To get to it, go to sched.mtsu.edu in your browser. You can also find a link to it in PipelineMT. Start by choosing the semester you want to search for, then add each of the classes you want to search for. Choose the subject in the rubric field. Here's a tip: instead of scrolling through the long list, you can just start typing the subject that you need. Next, add the course number in the next field. Click on Add a Class to add another row, and then add the next class, and continue with this process. When you've entered all of your classes, you'll move to the Select Preferences section. Choose the times of day and days of the week that you want to search for. Blue means it's selected. Check the Prefer Lunch Break box if you want to have a lunch break between classes. You can change the break time length field if you want to have a longer lunch. Click on any special course types that should be included in your search results. Common choices here include honors for students who are eligible to participate in the University Honors Program, learning community to see pairs of classes that are taken together and taught collaboratively, or prescribed classes at the bottom if you have been told that you need to take a class to build up your English, math, or reading skills. Click Review Your Selections at the bottom, and then check your selections and click Submit. Once the page loads, you should see several boxes with colored blocks in them. Each of these is a possible schedule for the classes that you entered. Each class is represented by colored blocks. See additional schedule options by clicking the next arrow at the top. This allows you to quickly see many possible schedules for your set of classes. As you review the possible schedule options, watch for schedules that match your needs and preferences. We generally recommend that classes be spread out across the week rather than being taken all on 2 or 3 days. Choose Filter Options at the top right to choose a specific section of a course. Now, your list is narrowed down to the schedules that include the course section you chose. Click Full View on a schedule to see the actual class times. On the left, you can click on a class to see the location, instructor, etc. If you see a schedule that you like but still want to look at others, click the star to mark that schedule as a favorite. It will stay at the bottom of the page while you flip through other possible selections. Found the schedule you want? Make sure it's marked as a favorite, then click on Full View at the bottom of the screen. Finally, click on Choose this schedule, or open a new window if you want it to open into a separate tab. Now you'll see a list of the classes you chose, along with the instructor and location. You can see the number of spots remaining in that class. Additionally, you'll find the course registration number, or CRN, which you'll use in the Drop Add section of PipelineMT to register for these classes. You might find that you have 2 or more sections listed for a class. This means that multiple sections meet at the day and time that you chose. In choosing which of the sections to register for, you may want to consider their location compared to your previous or next class, or the number of seats left in the section.